Hi everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we'll be unboxing one of the Lucid Benchtop series, the LS3081B. Alright, so what you get in the box, a USB cable to remotely control the unit through a PC, our power cable, and of course our benchtop unit. And before we hook it up, let's have a quick look on our rear panel. Alright, so this is our rear panel. We have a removable SD card for saving all the instrument setup and frequencies if you want to have it on a removable card for instrument security. Our reference in and out, we have 10 or 100 megahertz reference in and 10 and 100 megahertz reference out. Modulation inputs, so one connector for a single channel unit up to 4 or 4 channel units. The same with our trigger in inputs, so a single trigger in on this unit, which is single channel, and we can have up to 4 trigger ins for our 4 channel models. Interface, we have LAN, USB, and USB-B, and of course our power cord connector. So our front panel, well, we have 5-inch touchscreen display, our keypad numbers for entering the parameters, suffixes, dial, and arrow keys for navigating and changing the numbers. And we have different functionality buttons. For example, we have a frequency, amplitude to quickly change those parameters. Store recall for storing and recalling different setups. Mode buttons, so for example, if I want to do an FM or an AM or phase modulation. Sweep and list modes, and a run mode for controlling triggers. Preset button to restore the unit to a factory reset, and we have our RF on, modulation on buttons, and 2 USB connectors for external devices. For a more in-depth look on how to use the unit from the front panel and from remote control, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.